All right, now do you know you can get a lot of leads directly from the Yellow Pages site? And if you're a beginner and you'd like to start collecting thousands of leads, maybe for business reasons or for marketing purposes, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a particular software called the Lead Sniper Yellow Page Scraper to start extracting all of the required data you need directly from the Yellow Page site. So no much talk, let's get into it. Alright guys, so one of the things I tell people when you're making use of Lead Sniper tools is that it is so easy to use compared to so many other data scraping tools. And now what do I mean? The first thing you have to do is once you are able to install it into your computer, alright, you can watch this video here to learn how to install the Lead Sniper, every of Lead Sniper tool into your computer. So I'm just going to open up the Yellow Page Scraper. Alright, so you can see what the Yellow Page Scraper looks like currently, and we can see this, that we have three boxes right here. So the three boxes are the things would need to fit in properly so that we can get the best result using this particular tool. So the first thing you have to do is for this first box here, you have to choose which of the Yellow Pages you want to extract your data from. Do you want to get it from USA, Canada, Switzerland, UK, South Korea, Germany, Australia, and Italy? Now, some of the things I want you to know is that Lead Sniper constantly updates their tools. For instance, now as at sometime last year, the list was not as much as this, but now look at this. Now they are constantly working so much well so that they can have those tools befitting and worthy of use. And I think I really like that energy. So first thing I'm going to choose now is to choose United States of America, because that is the exact country I want to get my data from. So I'm going to click on it now. The second box here is where you want to input your keyword. Now your keyword basically stands for the businesses, the industries, the niches you want to extract your leads from or your data from. It doesn't really matter. So for me to fit this in, I actually use ChatGPT. All right, and I told ChatGPT to help me with 10 businesses and that can be seen on Yellow Pages, and you can see I have a list right here. So I'm going to copy this list from ChatGPT. I'm going to come back right here. I'm going to put it into the box. Please make sure you're following me accordingly. Now for this one here, what you want to do is you want to input cities, states that are in the United States of America. So this one basically here, all right, the location box is actually tied to your first box. So let's say you chose somewhere around Canada. It means that you're going to be inputting cities in Canada. But for me, I choose United States of America. So it means I have to put cities or states that are in the United States of America. So I'm going to quickly come back to ChatGPT. All right, and I'm going to, okay, see ChatGPT helped me with 10 cities in the United States of America. So I'm going to copy this one here. I'm going to come back right here and I'm going to paste it into this. Now, guys, you can see that we have the first one already fitted in, the businesses are right here, and also the locations I want to get my data from are also right in here. So what I need to do now is just click on start, and that's all, guys. That's all you need to do to start using this tool to start extracting data for yourself. So what happens is that automatically begins to scrape data for you. So if you would like to do much more with this tool, which I would recommend you do, is that you make use of a second browser. Okay, making use of a second browser while scraping your data would make it much more faster, much more easier for you to get the job done. So I'm going to open up the tool right here again. Okay, and for this one I'm going to basically, let's just say let's go with Canada. Okay, let's just use Canada. Let's also repeat the same thing. And now for the businesses, I'm just going to use ChatGPT again to generate a new business. So let me just say give me 10 more businesses. Okay, let's see how it pops up. Okay, good. So we can just copy all of this one here. Now we're going to come back to Lead Sniper. I'm going to put in the businesses right here, and now for the location, I'm just going to come back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give me a list of 10 cities in Canada. All right, so let's go. Okay, good. So let's just copy all of this one, then come back to, okay, this is the first browser, come back to the second browser and paste it right into here. Okay, good. So you can see we have this already. Then click on start. So when you click on start, automatically it begins to scrape your data. All right, that's just so how easy and how simple it is for you to use our Lead Sniper Yellow Page to start extracting business leads for your business or for your marketing purposes. So allow these two tools run for a while, okay, and you're going to be getting the results. So you can see this is the first browser. it's actually extracting. Let me just also minimize this so you can see, guys. You can see we have two browsers that are doing the work greatly. Let me arrange this one here, so you guys can have a better view of how they look. Okay, this is for the first browser. This is also for this, guys. So you can see this now. You can see two browsers actually running. So I'm going to allow this one for a while. Basically, maybe when it gets to maybe 4,000 or 5,000 in total, then I'm going to show you guys how to export your data. But by the way, let's say you want to get started with Lead Sniper. I'm going to be leaving the link down below. So once you click on the link, it's going to bring you over to the Lead Sniper YellowPages Scraper. All right, and now this is where you're going to be finding much information about the tool, how to install it basically, and so many other things that the Lead Sniper YellowPages Scraper 2 can do for you. Now, some of the features is that you're going to be making use of this tool. It's going to be time saving, and a lot of data you'll be getting, and so many stuffs. So it's easy to use to basically, but I want to show you something really quick. Let me come down a little bit, come down a little bit, and now, guys, look at this. Now you can see the YellowPages Scraper would help you extract over 45 fields. Now let me show you what is going to help you extract. For instance, now the business name is going to be extracted, the telephone number, which is their phone contact, their full address, their street name, their cities, their states, postal code, their ratings, okay, yeah, their ratings, their review count, website, most importantly, their email address. You can see it right here, and some other things such as their latitude, longitude, slogan, general information, blah blah, and a lot of data the YellowPages Scraper is capable of helping you extract. So if you want to get started today, I told you can find the link down below, and once you are here, actually you can take a peek on the pricing plans that they're offering. They basically offer three pricing plans: the starter plan $149, the popular plan $267, and the best value plan $389. Now every of the Lead Sniper tools basically require that you pay just a one-time fee, and you've paid for a lifetime. You're going to be working on just one browser with $149. I mean, lifetime access, unlimited leads. Of course, your money is non-refundable. I don't think you're going to be ever wanting to have a refund, because the tool just does more than how much money you are paying for it. And now you can see the popular plan is $267, and now this plan is basically going to be working on just 5 browsers, just like my own tool. You can go with the popular plan, costing you $267, and the best value plan is going for $389. I mean, this one is going to be allowing you work on over 10 browsers. Imagine you having 10 browsers working and helping you scrape data. Guy, you're gonna be having like millions of leads in like minutes, thanks to Lead Sniper. Really, this tool has just been an amazing one so far. Like so far, I've been using it for myself and even for my client, and the result has just been so amazing. Get yourself a plan today and start enjoying using the tool. So I'm just gonna wait for those tools, for these guys to probably roll up a bit, and maybe when it gets to like 5,000 in total, I'm gonna come back and show you guys how to export your data. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so right here you can see the first browser here, we have over 8,000 data already scraped for us. All right, and you can see the second browser is having over 5,000 data already being scraped using the Lead Sniper YellowPages Scraper. So one of the reasons why I like using multiple browser is just the fact that I can collect thousands of leads, thousands of data in a very short period of time. So if I want to export this, basically, it's so easy for me to export. All I have to do is to click on the button that says export. All you have to do right now is just choose how you want to get your data downloaded. So for me, I like working with the CXV. So I'm going to click on download as CXV and see what happens, guys. You can see we already have this downloaded. Now, for the second browser, we're going to repeat the same thing. You're going to click on export. So from here also, all you have to do is just choose how you want to get downloaded. So CSV is fine for me. I'm going to click on CSV as well. Guys, you can see we have the data already downloaded. So let me quickly open up the first one and show you what it looks like. Okay. All right. So you can see what the data looks like, guys. You can see we have the keywords here. We have the city, we have the country, we have the state, we have the street address, the zip code, the full address. We have your name, like the name of the businesses, and we have their email address, and you can see their phone number is right here. So all of the data the YellowPages Scraper promises to help us scrape is what we have right here, and you can see we have their ratings here, we have the review and all like that. So you can also do the same thing for the second browser. All you have to do is to just open it up right now. All right, so you can see this is the second browser, and you can see the result we got from the second browser. Also, we have the keywords, which is the business niche, dentist. We have the cities, Toronto. The Canada is the country is Canada, and you can see we have so many other details right here. So this is basically what you get from using the Lead Sniper Yellow Page Scraper. I mean, one of the best scraper that would help you scrape data directly from the Yellow Pages site. So if you're interested and you want to start today, check the link below to get yourself an account, purchase a plan that suits you, that suits your business, and you can start having access to unlimited leads, unlimited data every single day. So thank you so much for watching, and if you care to ask me a question, I'll do well to answer your question in the comment section below. Smash the like button, please. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in my other videos. Please take care and bye. Woo!